Hello boys and girls, I'm teacher Dani with Options for Learning Full Day Preschool, and I have a gross motor manipulative outdoor activity for you today. Now this is going to involve either pumpkins or you can use a small ball. If you don't have any of those items, you can use paper at home that you can crumple up. And then we also have water bottles. You're welcome to add water if you want to make the water bottles more heavy so that they don't fall over all the time. If there's a lighter weight ball, you might want to keep the bottles empty because if you put too much water in it, it might be very hard for the kids to knock over the bottles. But we're going to be doing a bowling activity today. So I'm going to show you what exactly we need to do so we can do it. So what I did is I gathered my water bottles from home. Then I got a little bit of food coloring and I just added it to the water. If you want to do like a color identification activity with this, you can just have them add a little bit of food coloring, then identify the colors, and it's a good gross motor activity. So I'm going to show you. Just like in Splat the Cat, when the pumpkin went rolling, 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 we're going to be rolling, rolling our pretend pumpkin through the water bottles. Okay? So let's try it. I'm going to show you. Come with me. Okay, so as you can see, I have my water bottles all right here, and they're in a triangle shape, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna roll it through, just like when you're bowling, okay? And I have different sizes of water bottles that you can use. So what I do is, I'm gonna roll it. And it's a good activity because then you can count how many pins the child knocks over. You can be like, oh, I knocked over 1, 2, 3 pins, okay? We'll get the ball. Then we'll do it one more round, then we're gonna count how many more pins we knocked down, okay? Look it, now I knocked over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. And then you can take turns over and over again until all the pins are down. And then you can have one person setting it up, and then another person rolling, and then switching off and taking alternative turns. And this is our gross motor manipulative activity today. I hope you enjoyed it and that you have a nice day. Bye-bye.